Oh, there's a nice view today out over the lake.
Chicken is not bad.
Yeah. It's colder down here than on the mountain. It's warmer up there. But always is. Stop recording.
Start recording.
Stop recording. Let's go.
I'm gonna take some air to my back tire.
Want to do it here?
Put it in low gear.
Yeah.
It's not in low gear yet.
No, that's okay. I'm just rolling.
No, they're too far apart.
Yeah.
If they were closer, it would. It's like I'm hitting on both tires.
But it gets narrower up at the top. No way. It's like you don't know. I don't know if it's a weed or. Oh, look at those stairs over there. Do those. Oh, it's a trail that goes around now too. Oh, that's cool.
I think it was always here.
Yeah, I don't know if we've ever gone up this high.
Dude, this would be easy to wheelie right here because it's on an incline.
Yeah. I'll let you know.
Try it up.
Like rounded edges on that.
Nope.
Nope.
It's too close.
That'd be easy to go down though.
It catches the front and the rear tire.
Yeah, at the same time. Perfectly spaced.
I haven't done that in a while. Rode upstairs.
Yeah. Not bad. Nice. Well, that's not bad. Yeah.